Hi everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate and explain the three methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Let's start with conduction. Conduction happens when heat transfers through direct contact between particles in a solid. Here's an experiment showing heat transfer through four different materials: glass, plastic, ceramic, and copper. These rods are connected to a heated water tank on one side. As heat flows from water into each rod, the wax attached to the tips melts. Notice that the wax melts at different rates. On the copper rod labeled C, the wax melts the fastest because copper is an excellent conductor of heat. On the other hand, the wax on the plastic and glass rods labeled A and B melts slower or not at all because they are poor conductors. This experiment clearly shows how the efficiency of heat conduction depends on the material. Next is convection. It is a motion in a gas or liquid in which the warmer portions rise and the colder portions sink. Here's an experiment using a clear container filled with water, with hot water dyed red and cold water dyed blue. You can clearly see how the red warmer water rises to the top, while the blue cooler water sinks to the bottom. This happened because heat makes the water molecules in the red region move faster, making them less dense and causing them to rise, while the denser cooler water sinks, creating a cycle known as convection currents. This process is important in everyday life. For example, it drives ocean currents and helps distribute heat in our atmosphere. For radiation, let's look at how surfaces absorb heat differently. Radiation is a transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves, and it doesn't require a medium, meaning it can even occur in a vacuum, like heat from the sun reaching Earth. In this experiment, we have three metal cans filled with water, one painted black, one painted white, and one shiny metal. Each has a thermometer to measure how quickly they absorb heat when exposed to a heat source. The black can absorbs the most heat because dark surfaces are excellent at absorbing radiant energy. The white can absorbs less, and the shiny metal reflects most of radiation, making it the least efficient at heating up. This experiment demonstrates how different materials respond to radiation, which is important in designing objects like solar panels or heat-reflective clothing. To recap, conduction transfers heat through direct contact, convection transfers heat through the movement of fluids, and radiation transfers heat through electromagnetic waves. These methods of heat transfer are everywhere in our daily lives, from cooking to weather patterns. And thank you for watching.